Guys, nandito ngayon tayo sa Jardín de Asis, Mendez, Cavite. Okay, nandito tayo ngayon sa garden nila. Wedding event, ceremony with reception, wedding package setup ang gagawin natin. So dito daw nila ilalagay ang ceremony, and then meron dyang hindi ko pa alam paano kaya gagawin nila ditong setup. So siguro nandito yung ceremony, and then dito nakaharap ang reception mamaya, nandito banda. So gawa tayo dito na speakers. Ito pa ilawin natin na maganda, and then kalat natin yung ilaw mamaya dyan. So guys, nandito na tayo, no, na setup na natin. Dalawang setup ang ginawa natin ngayon. Isa para sa ceremony and isa para sa reception. Actually yung reception natin hindi pa natin nagagawa, pero nakaayos na siya. Speakers, lights, meron na tayo. So aayusin pa nila dito banda, no. Andito na ang ating mga wedding singer. Ito yung setup natin ng ceremony. Okay. Medyo mainit ngayon, grabe. Guys, andito tayo sa wedding reception. So okay, no? So ang speakers natin dito natin ay pwesto. Yan, yung isa nandun sa kabila. Then may frontal lights tayo. Meron tayong moving head beam.
There were times when I just want to look at your face, with the stars in the night. There were times when I just want to feel your embrace in the cold night. I just can't believe that you were mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore. From this moment, as long as I live, I will love you. I promise you peace. There is nothing I wouldn't give. From this moment, I will love you as long as I live. From this moment, I love you always, forever, near and far, closer together everywhere. I will be with you, everything I will do for you. Say you love and let me forever, never stop, never, whatever, near and far, and always and everywhere and every. Say you love and let me forever, never stop, never, whatever, near and far, and always and everywhere and every.
Thank you very much for having us. And you can consider us to be your supplier. So, I am your host, Erica from Dovetail Events Manila. Palakpakan naman natin ang aming Miss Juana. Ayan. So, you can contact her, guys, if you need coordination on your events and to be suppliers. Also, thank you very much, Corridor Foods. Ang sarap daw ng food. Ayan. So, if you need a catering, just visit their Facebook page. Also, our trio, Symphony, maraming salamat for the great songs. Hardik the Assis, our venue for being song community, maraming salamat. And of course, guys, meron pa kaming surprise para sa inyo, okay? So, back studio lights and sound, thank you so much. And last but not least, we have the photo video team with our beautiful SDE, Eye in the Sky. Thank you very much. So, kung gusto nyo pa mapanood ulit yung SDE, you can visit their Facebook page.
Alright guys, another successful event, no? Back studio. Another successful event, oh. Alright. Okay, so yung nangyari dito kanina, dalawang setup kasi tayo, no? Isang ceremony at isang reception. So ngayon, yung hindi talaga natin pwedeng mangyari, lalo na sa mga sounds and lights, no? Setup. Mas maganda kung nakaset na mula reception hanggang ceremony, kasi talagang mahirap mahirap kasi magkakaroon tayo ng ano eh, parang pagkatapos na reception, then uli kami, set up uli kami. So nagdalawang set up tuloy, no. So yun yung mahihirapan tayo pag meron tayong mga ganong klaseng sitwasyon. So advice ko lang, no, na sa susunod na may ganon, no, mas maganda na naka-set up na siya kahit reception and then ceremony. Isang set up lang kasi the event must go on eh. So kanina nagkaroon ng yung singer natin, pero nagawa naman natin ng paraan. Nagkaroon ng kumbaga hindi agad sila na asikaso agad kasi inaasikaso natin yung ibang mahalagang asikasuhin eh. And then umpisa yung event na nagka-hassle. So yun yung naging sitwasyon natin kanina, pero na-handle naman natin, no, sa tulong ng aking kasama. So tungkol naman sa wedding, napaka simple and yet napaka lovely. So maganda yung catering service nila, no. Yung host natin okay din, yung venue maganda, grabe. And then yung SDE natin, ganda ng pagkaka-shot nila. Sobrang HD ng kanilang ginawa. So shout out nga pala sa lahat ng ating mga suppliers. Andyan, itag natin. So maraming salamat sa inyo. Salamat sa mga sumuporta sa Back Studio. Naway lagi kayong sumusuporta sa aming mga events and videos. Subaybayan nyo kami. Mga hindi pa nagsasubscribe, pakisubscribe and then pakilike na rin ang aming page. Congratulations pala sa ating newlywed. Best wishes sa inyong dalawa. So thank you and God bless.